Hi, I'm Jessie Keith from Sungrow Horticulture. When you plant this year's vegetable garden, give it a boost with OMRI listed natural and organic Black Gold Garden Compost Blend. Our superior compost blend gives soils needed organic matter for improved drainage, moisture retention, and nutrient retention. By adding 2 parts Black Gold Garden Compost Blend to 1 part garden soil, you'll provide your garden vegetables with the extra organic matter they need to succeed. Black Gold Garden Compost Blend contains superior quality compost, Canadian sphagnum peat moss, and aged bark. Gardeners also use it as a potting mix amendment, raised bed amendment, and garden mulch. Black Gold Natural and Organic Garden Compost Blend is available at top garden centers and hardware stores nationwide. Visit blackgold.bz to learn more and discover expert how-to gardening videos, articles, and exciting monthly garden giveaways. We also offer free horticultural advice through our Ask a Garden Expert support service and $3 rebate coupons to help you save on your next Black Gold purchase to create more beautiful, vigorous, cost-saving gardens.